Okay. Imirt, so play a game. So I'm sure we've all from time to time played cards. Okay, especially at the moment during lockdown and probably over Christmas and things like that. Bíomar ag imirt cluichí carta. Okay, so we're just going to have a look at the names of our different cards that we come across. Okay, so we have a hen, which we know is Irish for one, but it's also the name given to the card, the ace. Okay, so a hen, quite simple. A hen, a doe, a tree, a car, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a ucht, a ní, a de. Okay, quite simple. Okay, we have on rí, the king, on rí, on banríon, the queen. Okay, the cuireadta, it's the jack, cuireadta, agus fear na grúb, which we know is the joker. Fear na grúb. Okay, so this is quite an easy exercise. So on will, tá or níl. So on will is the present tense of on rev. So on rev is the past tense, so was there. Okay, you know, were you going to the shops yesterday? On rev to ag dógadtí an siopa inné. Bhí mé or ní rev mé. But on will is the present tense. So on will to ag dógadtí an siopa inniu. Are you going to the shops today? Tá mé, níl mé. Okay, you might say in the past tense on rev. You might say on rev capra agat inné. Did you have a sandwich yesterday? Bhí or ní rev. And today on will capra agat inniu. Do you have a sandwich today? Tá or níl. So these are the answers to on will, the present tense. On will, tá, yes, níl, no. So, looking carefully at the cards that Oisín has and the cards that Niamh has, okay, and in the picture I put up it'll be much easier to see as well, and I'll put a separate picture zooming in as well. Okay, so féach na cartaí atá ag Oisín. So tá, I will hit focus. Okay, so tá iver 3, a cuig, a seacht, a ní, agus an cuireadta. An Niamh, tá iver a dó, a cahar, a hucht, a sé, agus an banríon. So we have some questions. On will a 3 ag Oisín? So tá a 3 ag Oisín, or níl 3 ag Oisín? On will a hucht ag Oisín? So tá a hucht ag Oisín, or níl a hucht ag Oisín? On will banríon ag Oisín? Tá banríon ag Oisín, or níl banríon ag Oisín? Okay, so a ríis, a hen, a dó, a 3, a cahar, a cuig, a sé, a seacht, a hucht, a ní, a de, rí, banríon, cuireadta, fear na grúb. Okay, so ban 3 las sin, which means give that a try, give that a go. Ban 3 las, agus ben é caint live níos Jamie. Slán go fóill.